I think that for most students, research is actually just a step to go to a clinical career, right, in the United States. But for me, it was actually the opposite. I choose the US due to research. So first, I choose medicine because of research. So during my biology classes, I was always fascinated about the discovery of new drugs, the discovery of new medications to treat new diseases. So that really resonates with me. So that's honestly why I choose to do medicine, because I could take care of my patient, but also I could discover something else. You know, I could impact so many patients that I couldn't see it.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. And regarding the struggles that I had during medical school, so I joined my medical school in 2019, and 6 months after that, COVID happened, and my university got full lockdown, so all classes were online, and I was actually very unmotivated, right? I mean, it's really different to having classes about histology through a camera, through Zoom, from Meet. So I was very motivated. I almost gave up of medicine for quite a while, but something really stuck with me, which was research.
Yeah.
And
it motivated you to keep going?
It motivated me to keep going. So I started searching what I could do right now, right? During COVID, what I could do to keep my research going, to pursue this dream. So I did mainly two things. I joined an AI interest group, and also I got involved in that COVID cohort as well.
Yeah, it's interesting. That's something I want to talk about, because most people who join the Meta-Analysis Academy, they join it because they've been so frustrated about research experiences and trying to do research in their medical schools, and it's so hard, and you don't have mentors, and you don't know how to do it. No one will teach you. And there's also a group like yourself who have actually been successful in doing other types of research, but they also want to learn how to do meta-analysis. So before we talk about your incredible journey in meta-analysis, I want to talk a little bit more about these other projects that you've done. I mean, you were just in the beginning of medical school, maybe second or third year when you did this COVID cohort. Tell us how you got involved in that, the types of publications that you got, what was your role in these projects? Because medical students from all over the world, they're always interested, they always want to do research, but it's tough. You're from Paraíba, Brazil, and people from India, from Pakistan, from Colombia, they have the same struggles. It's hard to do research. So how were you able to do research even before the Meta-Analysis Academy?
Well, this definitely was a challenge, but I think that one of my main teaching point here, perhaps, is that I always try to do my best. I always put 100%, 200% of effort in all that I do. And I have no fear of receiving a no. So
you're very bold.
I have no fear of that. So I'm constantly reaching out people that even don't know me, actually. And I constantly do that to get what I want, to do what I want to pursue. So, for instance, the the COVID cohort, I get in touch with some research with a near university of mine, not mine itself.
Not even your university, another one.
So I got a contact with another researchers in Brazil, and I put myself to do it. And my role in that COVID at the beginning was just during data extraction. So I went to a hospital there during COVID, no vaccines. And I did multiple data extractions, extract data from more than 100, 150 patients.
Okay.
From charts,
Yep.
charts review, data extraction. And then I also did some data analysis as well. Back then I used Python a little bit.
How did you learn how to do Python?
Yeah, I learned by myself, to be honest.
That's incredible. So, I mean, this is good advice. Obviously, you're sharing your own experience, but what we want to do is translate it to the broader audience so they can apply it to their own careers. And I think the teaching point here is, go and learn stuff that's actually helpful to other people. And obviously, learning statistics and Python and R and this is really helpful when you're trying to get inserted in a research lab or a research group. Is that right?
Yeah, of course. I mean, back then I didn't have ChatGPT.
Right.
So it was definitely kind of hard to learn by myself. But right now with those AIs, they can teach us a lot. I mean, of course, we always need to self-doubt them, right?
Yeah.
To doubt them. But we can definitely learn a lot from them.
And not only you got involved in that project, but you actually published some papers, right?
Yeah, I did. So my group and I, of course, we published more than 6 papers.
That's
about
amazing.
That. Yeah.
With that cohort. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. We published in Thyroid, GCAM, and other journals as well.
Amazing. Congratulations.